Um, so we're here today with the ST again, old faithful, and we're installing the Cobb Accessport. I've been sleeping on this because I had a purge valve warranty thing I was waiting on, and the parts back ordered, and I'm not gonna do off the shelf tune. I'm gonna run a stage 0 tune, just a stock tune. So I think it'll be fine. We're just gonna go for it. Fingers crossed. But yeah, so I'm gonna walk you through it. I've watched some videos and stuff. It's a super simple process. But yeah, it plugs in your OBD2. You can monitor gauges. You know, pretty much anything that the ECU can read. It will read for you and show you in live time. You can do data logs, everything. Custom tunes later down the road and whatnot. Super. First start here, you get your little Cobb box. It sends you a box of accessories. In that box is a little mount for the mount that they give you. Here's your actual cord that plugs into your OBD2 and then into the access port itself. A little quick start guide that walks you through it, and simple things for troubleshooting, and actually shows you the installation for every vehicle they cover, so that's kind of funny. Comes in this little case. In this case we have these stickers that just say that it's like not stock, basically. A warning, the access port itself. I've already downloaded the stage 0 tune that doesn't come on these stock. You have like a stage 1, 2, and 3 tune, I believe, and like valet mode and whatnot. This is the cord to plug it into your computer. Comes with the mount for it to mount it, along with a black faceplate, which is this part. I might actually change that out. I like the black. I might do that real quick actually. But yeah, so let's change that faceplate out. I think you just pop it off right down there and it should snap on. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so got that changed over. The black looks much better. There's a little slit there, like I said. It's literally almost designed for a quarter. I used a screwdriver and bent part of it, so that sucks. But use a quarter and it works. So that's everything they give you. Let's go to the car so I can show you what that's gonna look like. Now, when I install this, you plug it into your OBD2 down here, but you can't see that, can you? Not very well. Can I turn my flash on? Hold on. Aha. So, with the STs, they have this, the handle thing, and it hits where the plug would sit. So you have to actually, there's 2 little clips on each side of this. You pop those out and push it back. But first, we're going to take this side panel off so that we can fish the wire behind it so it looks clean. I believe this should just pop out too. You have to take this seal off. Just a little bit, like so. Get your hand back in here. I don't think I can do this while holding the camera. Take this seal off like I just did, and then you just pull this out. You might have to use like a little trim tool or screwdriver or something. Got that off. Just like I said, it's pretty easy. Put a screwdriver with the towel so I didn't scratch anything, and just pried it off. It's pretty thick, you're not gonna break it. So then now you can see the OBD2 in there. This way we can fish it in there and connect it with the cord. So I'll do that real quick, and I'll feed the wire back through here, and it'll all look flush. So you can see it's down in there, connected. I just shoved the wire in there for now. This closes. I fed the wire up through the side. I haven't put the cover back on. I'm gonna plug it all in and install it and make sure that it still works, and then I'll put the side plate on. So at this point, you plug it in, and it'll kind of walk us through it. So I'm going to do that, go through that, and make sure it all works, and I'll hit you up. Now it is saving the factory ECU data. That way, if I were to uninstall it or something, it's still there, and I can put it on. It takes a little bit. There's a lot of data it's got to download, you know, and then it'll take a little bit once you put the tune onto it. But stage 0, so I guess it should take about the same time. Like I said, I downloaded the stage 0 tunes. It was on there when I started, and you just choose which tune you want. There's a stage 1, 2, and 3 as well, but for like 93 octane, you know, 87 and whatnot. But like I said, I just chose stage 0 for now. Only have a downpipe and exhaust. I don't really, yes, you should technically tune it, but I don't really want to mess with all that yet. I want to get an intercooler first and just do things a little slower, more correct. But I don't know. Okay, so it's all installed and everything. Couldn't figure out the gauges. I'm gonna look that up. I'm gonna get the mount I got for it. I want it to sit like right about here, I think. Yeah, so I'll install that and then hide the cord. There we go, everything's back together. I actually just ran the wire through the hole of the handle here, got the mount on for it, and it's installed. I still got to figure out the gauges, but it looks good. I'm gonna clean out my car now and then figure out the gauges. Now that's a Cobb Accessport install for a 2018 Focus ST. This video might be longer, it might not, but for now, bye. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something. Send it along. Have a great day.